What's up guys? You have probably heard of XGIMI because it is a flagship projector manufacturer. I had one of their projectors about a long time ago, over 6 years ago. Technology has come a long way since then, especially with projectors. So I am very excited to test the new XGIMI Elfin Flip. As you understand by its name and design, its main feature is a built-in adjustable stand. You can also use it as a handle to carry the projector. The other features of the XGIMI Elfin Flip are 1080p native resolution, 400 ISO Lumens brightness, DLP technology, intelligent screen adaptation technology with auto keystone correction, and autofocus smart system with Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video pre-installed. You know the projector looks very good for its price of $299, but let's try it out and start by unboxing. You know the box looks pretty simple, yet premium. As I said before, XGIMI is a popular and flagship projector manufacturer, so they pay attention to the packaging and design of their products. You can see main features of the XGIMI Elfin Flip on the box. By the way, I forgot to tell you about Dolby Audio built-in speakers. We will check the speaker quality later in this video. Inside the box, we can see the projector very well packed in styrofoam. If you need the user manual and warranty, you will find them in this package. There is another box with a remote control, batteries, power cable, and AC adapter. That's it. The projector has a built-in stand, so you don't really need a tripod. You know, the first thing I noticed when I took the projector out of the box was it's very lightweight. It only weighs 1120 grams. But the built-in stand looks pretty massive and solid, so I thought the projector would weigh a lot more. In fact, the stand and the projector itself are made of plastic. I also really like the sandy color of them. The XGIMI Elfin Flip is only available in this color. Going back to the stand, it allows you to rotate the projector 150 degrees. Two rubber feet on the bottom provide high stability on the surface. By the way, I told you that you don't need a tripod, but the projector has a tripod mount on the bottom, so you can do that if you want. You know the projector rotates on the stand very smoothly, with no steps or annoying sound. Talking about design of the projector, it reminds me of Bay Atom, which we tested earlier on our channel. It has similar shape, but XGIMI projector is more compact. There is a lens on the front, as well as autofocus and auto keystone correction sensor. We also see the mesh here, and the logo on the side says it is XGIMI sound. There are actually 2 speakers by 3 watts. We will check other quality a little later. The back panel has a large ventilation window, as well as power button, HDMI port, and USB port. As you can see, there are only few ports, but the projector has a smart system built in. So I think that will be enough to connect game console, for example. The power port is located on the bottom of the projector. I wonder why it is not on the back panel. By the way, the design of the XGIMI Elfin Flip is thought out to the smallest detail. So even when you insert the power cable, it is not visible. That's why I call XGIMI a flagship projector manufacturer. In addition, the remote control is made in the same design and color as the projector. You know, it is very slim, and only the battery part is a little thicker. There are no many buttons on the remote, but personally, I don't need any more. There is power button, mute, shortcut buttons to Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and XGIMI TV, menu, focus, input source, navigation buttons, return, settings, home, up and down. So, I really like the design of the XGIMI Elfin Flip projector. It looks like a premium product, although it is quite affordable. Let's finally turn it on. Once you power on the XGIMI projector, it automatically adjusts the keystone and focus. We will talk about this a little later. After that, you need to connect the remote control to the projector by pressing the return and home buttons. You also need to make the first setup, such as selecting a language, adjust focus, manual keystone correction, zoom and shift, connect to Wi-Fi and start Netflix if you want. Done. We are on the home screen. You know, it looks like a Google TV, but it is actually a Linux system. There are already some pre-installed apps here, such as Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Settings, and Resource Management. You can also see the Netflix trending shows, YouTube videos, recommended videos for you on the home screen. By the way, the XGIMI Elfin Flip has an app store, so you can search for the app you need. The XGIMI Wall app allows you to choose the wallpaper for the screensaver. We will talk about Bluetooth music and projection assistant a bit later. There is even an open browser available on this projector, so you can visit any website, for example, techbrothers.pro. The XGIMI Elfin Flip also comes with XGIMI TV. You know, it is not a separate smart system, but rather a streaming service with many shows, series, and other videos. However, when you select any show, you are redirected to the Plex app. So basically, XGIMI TV is just a shell, while Plex is the main streaming app. Okay, now let's take a look at the settings. First, the XGIMI Elfin Flip has a quick settings menu with auto keystone correction, manual keystone correction, zoom and shift, autofocus, network and internet, Bluetooth and accessories, XGIMI Wall, and input source. The projector also has a full settings menu. Here we have image correction with the same automatic keystone, manual keystone, zoom and shift, focus, and projector type. But also you will find display and sound settings in this menu. First, you can choose the picture mode. In custom mode, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. However, I will be using standard mode. After that, you can select low latency for games, but only when the game console is connected to the projector. Sound settings include sound output, sound effects, and system sounds. There are network settings here again. You know, the projector only has one HDMI port, but even that has settings. You can also select a startup source in this menu, and that's very convenient if you plan to use a game console with this projector. Finally, Bluetooth settings and about the device. By the way, I found the Eco mode in the advanced settings. You can use the XGIMI Elfin Flip projector on the power base with a built-in battery, and then Eco mode will be useful for extending battery life. I still want to go back to the pre-installed apps. Although the projector runs Linux, not Android, it has streaming services certified, such as Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. A little later, we are going to watch some videos on YouTube, but now I want to test the screen mirroring. There is an app called Projection Assistant that you can use to mirror your smartphone screen. Mirrorcast, DLNA, and MagicCast available on this projector. I have an iPhone, so I will use MagicCast. I also noticed a Bluetooth speaker up on the XGIMI Elfin Flip that allows you to connect your smartphone to the projector and listen to music through the built-in speaker. Talking about built-in speakers, they are dual, with total power of 6 watts. Yes, it doesn't seem like much, but the projector itself is very compact. However, the volume level is enough for me, and the overall sound quality is pretty good. The XGIMI Elfin Flip projector uses LED light source but DLP display, so this is actually not a laser projector. However, it is really quiet as for an LED projector. The noise level is about 44 decibels nearby. And 41 decibels at 1 meter. Okay, let's move on to image quality. As I said before, the projector has a DLP display technique and a 0.23-inch DMD display chip. The native 1080p resolution makes the image look very sharp. I usually judge image clarity by text, and here it reads very well. As for the projection screen size, I got 80 inches at 2 meters. And about 120 inches at 3 meters. The XGIMI Elfin Flip projector has 1.2 to 1 throw ratio and supports a maximum screen size of up to 150 inches. Talking about colors, the XGIMI Elfin Flip supports 113% Rec.709 color gamut and even HDR10. For example, videos on YouTube really have HDR support. Overall, the colors are really good. By the way, DLP technology also makes colors more saturated than LCD. As for the brightness, it is 400 ISO Lumens. If you are used to anti-lumens, that's about 450. In fact, that's not very high brightness for a $300 projector, but I didn't have any problem watching any video content in a dark room. In a bright room, the colors are much dimmer than in a dark room. But you can still see the projection well. I think you can play games or watch sports in a room with light, but watching a movie is better in a dark.
Side throughout the night. Jones right up the middle with a first down. Spins right up the middle with a first down. Spins to the 16.
What was that? Oh no, not again. What's happening? It's all right. Where's in my body? It's okay, it's me. Heartbeat's mom. Wait, what was that? Oh no, not again. What's happening? It's all right. Where's in my body? It's okay, it's me. Heartbeat's mom.
Let's watch some more videos and then we will jump to conclusions.
something a little more age appropriate. Let's go.
Hey, are you single? I'm a matchmaker. Give me a call if you want to meet somebody.
I deserve someone.
Because they're lonely.
Sunday, Daytona? Oh, I'm sorry. I meant Formula One. Oh, I'm sorry. Then same as you. There's 20 other drivers still out on that track. You think any of them respect us?
Second and 8. They got it. Rolling out. Van Noy.
Trippier to take. It's going to come to Rollin. Turn and a little deflection. He had a lot of work to do to get his foot rounded and get it on target. Here they come with Luis Diaz. Now Somos Light. His pass. Chance for Liverpool.
Zach Hyman sent in alone here, and a nice chance. Good protection of the puck with the body trying to pass the shortage, and it's going to lead to a short-handed chance. Looking up this back. As McDavid spins, hesitates, speeds Nugent Hopkins. Target is the white two-story building near your target zone. Enter the building. Control the air.
So the XGIMI Elfin Flip is a very interesting projector, mainly because of its design. Its built-in stand allows you to project the picture from any angle. When not in use, you can store or carry the projector with this stand. You know, the company calls it a book-sized movie theater, and I agree with that. The company also calls this projector portable, but I don't really agree with this, because it doesn't have a built-in battery. However, XGIMI has many other true portable projectors with a built-in battery if you need one. Overall, the XGIMI Elfin Flip is a good compact projector for home and beyond, because it has a smart system with certified streaming services, good speakers with Dolby Audio support, and decent image quality with 1080p native resolution and rich colors. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!